Alright, what we're going to do is we're going to design a watermark for a quick video here. So for me, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to iPiccy. This is an editing software for pictures and stuff. So if you wanted to, you could load up a picture here and then you could edit that, resize it, do different things like that. I use that for my thumbnails on my YouTube page. But what we're going to do is we're going to change this from editor and we're going to go to designer. Designer is where you can do text. So at the top here we want to do a text. What we're going to do is kind of create a watermark. If you had a logo, you could upload it into this site and then just add a phone number and stuff like that and turn the background into a transparent background. That's what ultimately we're doing, is just making a transparent background. So your text here, we're just going to do lawn care and then pretend phone number 555. Obviously you would want to have your own phone number there. We're going to make this as big as possible. Stretch it across the whole bottom of the screen here. You can do it however you want. It's all up to you. I'd like to add a stroker. That's the shadow around it. So we're going to do a stroke. And I'm going to do, say, a bright green. You can change the size. And then we're going to do a font. So obviously you want something that's kind of fresh for your lawn care. Let's go ahead and use that. Corbin seems pretty nice. So we're going to shrink that up a little bit. And that looks slick. Now if you wanted to, on the font here, you can actually change this font to anything you want. Blue and green goes real good for lawn care, right? Looks sharp. So your company's red and you want to do, I don't know, black on the outside. That looks sharp too. It's really up to you, okay? So easy way to do that there. We're going to go ahead and go back to green. Let's go green and black. Looks real sharp. Now on the background here, so you have these layers. That's your text. This one's your background. We want to go over here. By clicking this, we're turning this into a transparent background. Whenever you got the squares like that, that's a universal sign for transparent background. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and do that. We're going to save this. Save it as a PNG. Okay. Save to my computer. My thumbnail stuff. So we're going to go ahead and save that. Let's go ahead and save. Doesn't really matter. We'll save this as lawn care advertising. Okay. Just going to go ahead and save that. And now we have, we're going to X out of this and return to this. Okay, now we have a transparent background. And from here, we can actually create our overlay that would go over a video or any picture that we might have. But we have this transparent background. We can use this on anything and just transfer it to another page. And like I said, if you have a logo, you can put that logo in here and stuff. It's just a watermark that you can use consistently on any different picture or video that you might want to save. So we're going to go ahead and call that a wraps for this video. And in the next video, I'll show you how to create a short little video that you can advertise your business with, that you can use on Facebook or Google or whatever it might be. And from there, have your watermark on it.